trying.
Oh, it's really hard to grab one, trust me.
They bounce right out? Yeah, don't worry about it.
I'm just taking video of the side of the street.
Ow, I got hit.
Oh, one came in. Oh, that's a good one came in. Open the freaking thing. That one hurt like... There it is.
Ah! Fuck! Holy shit! I got hit.
Look at this, man.
We'll close the window. What is this? What are we in?
Look at all of it on the side of the road. What are we in? We're like an inch of a second tail. Look at the size of this. We got a really good one here. There's a half an inch of hail on the Stevenson Expressway. That hit more than that baseball I refused to catch. Look at this.
Keep your window open. I can't keep mine open for smoke. It's all blowing in this way.
I think we're officially out of the hail, and it is unbelievable.
Foggy outside, or what is going on?
Matt has a confused look on his face, and I can't see out the window.
I am following the hazards in front of me. Okay, clear up a little bit.
Beautiful summer day in Chicago. Look at the side here, with it just a lake. We have a lake of hail on the side, or like a river. See that?
Yeah. Is there a river of hail?
Look at that. I got 4 minutes of this. Well, I think I'm about done, but that was good.